Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Express cargo van in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 6.6 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black cloth interior seats with adjustable armrests on each side. In the middle you'll find our climate controls to go alongside our infotainment system. Further down you'll find our cup holders and of course additional storage here down below as well. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. You'll also find our automatic high beam controls to the right of that, and right above we do have our adjustable vent controls that go along the entire cabin. On the right hand side you'll find our shifter, and if we put this vehicle into reverse you'll see it does come equipped with a rear view camera inside your rear view mirror. Down below you'll find our AC outlet, and right beside that you'll find our forward collision alert. Checking out the exterior here on the Cargo Express, of course we have our gold Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille. Moving along to the side here you'll find our Bridgestone tires with our silver rims, black accent side mirrors up top. Moving along to the rear here, we have our Express badge on the left, and of course our hitch at the bottom. Opening up the back here, you'll see we have plenty of space and storage to fit anything you might need. Doors open nice and wide for easy access in and out of the back. We also have our handles here with our automatic locks and hooks inside to strap in anything you might need, with 6 in total. Up top we also have additional lighting to light out the cabin during night and dark times. If we move along to the right side of the vehicle, you'll find our passenger doors as well as our side doors. You'll find the handles inside the door handle, just push out. Again, this is plenty of space and storage to fit anything you might need in and out, with our handles here on the right hand side, and again plenty of space and storage inside of our cabin here. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Express cargo van. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.